handy feature that you may have used in Word and they also have in Google Docs is the find and replace, excuse me. It's under the edit button. So if you come up to edit, you can go to find and replace. And if you want to find the word cat in this presentation and you want to replace it with dog, you just type in those. You can see that there's 20 instances. So I can replace each instance by itself, or I can replace them all. I can match the case, and I can match using the regular expressions. So you can find each one by just clicking through, and you can see that it's moving down here. Okay, so I can replace that one, or I can replace all of them. So now it says dogs. So that's the find and replace. It's really handy, especially if you find out that you've spelled something incorrectly in a paper. You can change it all right away.